Carly Judis is set to go down against Joanna Miller. Carly Judis defeated recently Nicole Cagliari and Eunice Duben. Also lost to Gabriela Fernandez and Ernesta Karachkaite via super controversial split decisions, but this chick is a killer. Literally, I underestimated her heavily, and Joanna Miller on the other side, the killer, has never backed down in front of a challenge, but I just think this fight might be too much for her. 40-0, 5'7", 66 inches of reach. Chick defeated Ivana Petrovic and Brogan Walker, but lost to Lana Santos and Veronica Hardy. At TUF Season 30, she won, she dominated, but I just think she's more of a grappler than an MMA fighter, and I think her grappling pedigree is problematic here because Carly Judis offers very, very much high-level takedown defense. It's true that Miller is superb on the ground, but I'm gonna say fight starts round 3, but if I must pick a side, I have to side with Carly Judis.